Okay, I'll do it. 1972 Ford F 250. The 250 represented the amount of weight they could carry, am I right? So the F150 and the 250. You get the picture. Also a local vehicle. Okay, we're moving right up the scale now. Something more modern. Transformers. What's it?
With the design allegedly drew a picture of the model airline listening to the sound inside Gelfi Railroad Bay. So, first Land Rover was bought. Willis was working at the time with Rover Motor Cars. Obviously, they utilised lots of the materials there. The first model had a steering wheel in the centre with the two passengers being on either side. But then they thought, well, this is a little bit awkward, especially if the driver is in the vehicle and he's only wants to get out to open the gates. So they changed it to a right-hand drive. The first model, so like the one we right here, was what we call an 80-inch. That is the distance from the centre of the head of the front wheel to the back wheel. And they had a 1600cc petrol engine. And the way that tell the difference really is that there are no door handles on the outside of the 18-inch Land Rovers. And as time progressed, like all vehicle manufacturers, they improved the vehicles, and the second vehicle in the display is an 86-inch Land Rover. So the wheelbase is a little bit longer, and these been on since the mid-50s. This has a 1900, I think it is, petrol engine, so it's a bit stronger. But basically the initial design hasn't changed much at all. So the third one in the display is, again, it is one Land Rover, but it's still long wheelbase. These are probably more rare than the short wheelbase Land Rovers. And as you can see, because of the length of the truck back, as they would call it, carrying a lot of stuff on the back. But the downside to long wheelbase is probably the turning circle. I'll just ask the driver now what he thinks about the turning circle. I'm not trying to have someone's fun with it. That was the downside to the long wheelbase, was the lack of turning ability with it. Right. 1955, 27th of October. The wonderful thing about these Land Rovers, they still have good records about them, and there's a sheet on this one saying that built in on the 27th of October, dispatched out of the factory on the 21st of November, and the dealer was Macria and Dick Limited in Inverness, so it's a long way from here.